In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can magnify an image in Krita. So I have an image here, and to magnify it, first you're gonna need to select the transform tool. Then you wanna go down here and make sure you have fast selected. Then you wanna click on Liquify. Now you wanna scroll down here and make sure you have build up selected and you have the size selected, because this is where you're gonna do the magnifying. Just make sure you select the size, and now you should be able to basically magnify whatever you want. I'm gonna make sure to increase the size of this cursor here. I'm gonna increase it a little bit. Oh, actually you gotta increase it from here. So this is how you do it. So let's just say, for example, I wanna increase, like, magnify her face or his face or whoever. Like, I would just click on it, and this should, like, as you could see, this could easily magnify any face you want. And as you see, it looks a little funny here, and you could also make it bigger if you want. So you could also shrink like images and faces here, and all you have to do is just go down here and click reverse, and this should just shrink them instead of magnifying them. So as you can see, this is gonna shrink the faces, and just like that, this is what they would look like if they all had their faces shrinked. I'm gonna make it magnify it again just for fun here, and as you can see, you could do a lot with this tool here. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.